a TED talk that really made me pause and reflect on how even the smallest things we can do create waves of change in the world. And the talk is Sh- Shipper. The talk is by Shipper Pfister, and it is titled as "The Ripple Effect: Small Action, Bigger." And this isn't just a motivational slogan; it is a powerful reminder that our choices, no matter how small, matter more than we think. And first of all, Shipper starts with a simple but striking idea. Every action we take is like throwing a stone into the water. The ripples are spread outwards far beyond what we can see. A kind word to someone can brighten their entire day. A careless act can hurt more people than we realize. Small efforts, when multiplied by many, can spark bigger movements. This idea sets the stage of the whole talk, showing us that our daily behavior shapes not only our own lives but also the lives of others around us. What makes Shepard's talk powerful is use of the real life examples. He shares how seemingly ordinary actions have created extraordinary results. For example, volunteering a little time in the community can inspire others to set up, creating a chain reaction of service. Even environmental action like using less plastic or planting a tree may seem small, but when millions adopt them, the collective impact is massive. So these stories remind us that big change doesn't always start with the huge resources or big organizations. Often it begins with the one person deciding to act. Shepard also talks about the why people often ignore small actions. We think, what difference will it make if just I recycle, or if just I donate, or if just I speak up? But this mindset is flawed because when one person takes action, it encourages others. The first ripple leads to the second, and the third, and soon you have a wave. He challenges us to stop underestimating our role in the creating change. Shepard breaks down where small actions matter most. First of all, in relationships, saying thank you, listening deeply, showing kindness, these things strengthen the bonds and spread positivity. In communities, helping a neighbor, supporting local projects, mentoring someone younger, these acts build stronger societies. For the planet, reducing waste, conserving energy, protecting nature, each step adds up in the fighting global challenges like climate change. So these examples show that impact is not abstract, it's a practical and accessible to all of us. So one interesting point she could highlight is how psychology and sociology back up this idea and human behavior is contagious. When we see someone helping, we feel more motivated to help. When we notice other acting with care, it influences our own decision. So the final message is simple that the talk closes with a strong reminder and change doesn't always require grand gestures, it requires consistent, meaningful response. You don't need to change the whole world right overnight. You just need to start ripple where are you are. So this was my today's study studio review. I hope you will learn a lot from this. See you next time with a new topic of my study studio. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and in it, as always, Pakistan, Zindabad. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay British. Allah Hafiz.